Hi, my name's Aisha and today I'm going to show you how to set up your Cricut EasyPress 3. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos. In the box you will find Cricut EasyPress 3, heat resistant cradle, warranty information and user guide, a test piece of iron-on. Download the Cricut Heat app onto your mobile phone. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up the EasyPress 3. Any firmware updates for your EasyPress will also be completed at this time. A Bluetooth icon will appear on your EasyPress 3 once connected. Your EasyPress 3 is now ready to use. The EasyPress 3 can be used with the Cricut Heat app or manually using the buttons on the machine. To manually change the temperature, press the wave button and use the plus or minus keys to increase or decrease the temperature. Once the desired temperature has been reached, press the heat button once more to set it. The timer is changed in the same way using the stopwatch button. Once the EasyPress 3 has reached the desired heat, the play button will turn green and a beep will sound. To use the EasyPress 3 with the Cricut Heat app, ensure the machine is powered on and the Cricut app is open. Select EasyPress 3 from the home screen and your phone will then connect via Bluetooth to the machine. Select Start a new project. Then use the drop-down menu to set the transfer material type and then what the material is being applied to. Click Next. The project overview screen will then appear detailing the recommended settings to press your project as well as what you'll need. Click Send Settings to EasyPress. You'll then see on the screen how long it will take for your EasyPress 3 to heat up. Once the EasyPress 3 has reached the desired heat, the play button will turn green and a beep will sound. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the press. Thanks for joining me for this video. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to book a workshop, find your next craft project, or learn a new skill. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and a comment below as we love to see them. See you again soon for more videos.